If your kitchen towels are just for decoration, these aren't for you. These are the Martha Stewart 2-pack kitchen towels, and they're the kind you're actually going to grab when something spills. 100% cotton, so they absorb instead of just pushing the water around. One side is smooth, one side is terry. So you can wipe counters and dry dishes at the same time. This is 16 by 28, generous and not skimpy, thick enough to feel quality and not bulky. The medallion print adds color without looking busy. Great everyday towel that looks so styled, even if it's hanging on the oven door. These are an easy upgrade if your current towels are thin or worn out. Nice little blue and white refresh for those spring kitchens. This is a solid pick if you want practical and pretty all in one set.